LaserMeter. In the following video, courtesy of PORCELANOSA, we are going to see how it works the quality control equipment, LaserMeter, in its version 8 laser. This is a production control equipment designed for tiles verification. It is able to check all the necessary parameters to detect the slightest pressing defect in bulk density, distribution of clay or thickness difference. All of that is done giving us average debtors as surface distribution. The measurement method, through the use of 3D synchronized laser rangefinders, allows us the characterization of each piece in 6D, and also a quick, reliable and ecologic measurement. Substituting, with much better results, the current bulk density equipments which work by mercury immersion, which generate a lot of contamination, and also do not have enough measurements parameters for an accurate control, due to those only give us bulk density deviations. For those new equipments we have different configurations, from 2 lasers to 8 lasers, to cover all the customized necessities, depending on the number of glazing lines. To make the measurement, we take each green tile, and we cut it in files and columns in a representative number of pieces. We put in order those pieces and insert them in the pieces distributor. We select the press and pressing plate numbers, and press the start button. The pieces distributor goes up and feeds each piece at the right moment. The pieces are transported over the measurement track, going through the 3D laser rangefinders. Each one makes 360,000 measures each time, in the top surface, to measure the perceivable relief, as in the bottom surface, to measure the body of the tile. All of this is made totally synchronized to be able to characterize all the debtors in 6D. The 2 lasers can make different measurements, turning the piece a quarter each time, to remove the hidden areas in the pieces with a lot of relief. The 8 lasers equipment, on the other way around, does not need to turn the piece, because each measurement is made from a different angle, avoiding on this way the repetitions, and therefore having the process higher speed. This is ideal for companies with many production lines. The 6D characterization that we obtain with the laser scanners allows to obtain debtors that no other volumetric measurement equipment can provide. The equipment used currently for the production control only provide us with bulk density deviations debtors. Although this figure is very important, but it is not enough, and even sometimes is a data camouflaged by the use of isostatic plates. Over and above, with the use of LaserMeter equipments, we can obtain also thickness deviations, knowing the differences in the clay distribution which generate those deviations. On this way we can have the whole report with all the debtors for each measured tile. This procedure allows to take actions, to make corrections in the pressing process, and to minimize the defects created by thickness differences in the surface. In the production of porcelain tiles, this gives us a high saving in the polishing machines. When producing glossy glazed flat tiles, we can minimize the pillow defects. The LaserMeter equipments can be synchronized via wireless, also with the load compensator equipments, creating and transmitting the loading correction debtors. The load compensator equipments allows to make corrections on the distribution of clay in the press, to minimize the tile's configuration defects, such as taper, deformations, planarity, and so on. Each LaserMeter can drive up to 30 load compensator, and the combination of both gives us result the total removement of dimensional defects. For more information see our website www.lsl.s.